Thank you, sports. Thank you for making me strong. Thank you for reminding me that I'm really not that strong. Thank you for making me sweaty and sore and smelly. Thank you for my 15 minutes. Thank you for my work ethic and my determination. Thank you for my abs. Thank you for making me see my dad as a hero before I knew all the other reasons he should be seen as a hero. Thank you for letting me prove all those people wrong and prove all those other people right. Thank you for making me feel young, even when you make me feel old. Thank you for the bruises, the sprains, the breaks. Thank you for all the extra character. Thank you for making me more attractive to women, at least in my mind. Thank you for the soccer mullet. Thank you for giving my mother something to brag about and my little brother something to shoot for. Thank you for giving my father the chance to say, "That's my boy." Thank you for the fans and that one time they chanted my name. Thank you for the time they chanted, "You suck." Thank you for the memories, good and bad, because after enough time, they all have a way of becoming good. Thank you for Friday nights and Saturday mornings and Sunday afternoons. And thank you for those other days. I think they were called practice days. Thank you for taking me to new places and for translating for me when I was there. Thank you for the cheering and the booing and whatever those hand gestures were. Thank you for the teammates and the opponents. Thank you for the Pocoshock Strikers, the Providence Rams, the Hanley High Judges, the Virginia Cavaliers, El Equipo El Carmen, DC United, the Hershey Wildcats, the Carolina Dynamo, and the Magical Dragons over 30 co-ed team. Thank you for the friends. Thank you for growing up with me and for promising to grow old with me. Thank you for making sure that I'd become exactly who I've become.